5 things you should cut to save money. There are certain things in this world that we spend on because they give us a sense of satisfaction. These material things have become part of our lifestyle, but when you think about it, are they really that necessary in our lives? Maybe you are paying for something that's hardly benefiting you. So, what are these things, and are they really eating up your savings? In this video, we will share the 5 things you should cut to save money. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to Money in Mind, a fun and friendly channel that will bring you high-quality financial advice towards happiness and success. Number 1. Cable. In this era, you will hardly hear your friends or colleagues talk about their favorite cable TV shows, unless it's super popular or controversial. That's because nowadays, the majority have Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu, where you are given the power to choose what to watch and when to watch it. Plus, the internet, particularly YouTube, has a huge library of content made for entertainment. If you are still subscribed to cable TV, maybe you should consider cutting it off from your monthly obligations. Some people still use cable because of news and sports channels, and we can't blame them. Maybe they're not used to using the internet yet. But suppose you already have a powerful internet connection that allows you to watch the most popular films and shows today, like Marvel or Star Wars. In that case, cable connection shouldn't be your priority. In fact, according to data, as of 2018, around 33 million Americans have canceled their cable subscriptions. Imagine being subscribed to cable and never actually tuning in to watch anything. Sounds like a waste of money to me. Folks, don't waste your money on something you will rarely use. Number 2. Credit cards. You may say your credit card is one of the most beneficial financial tools because it saves you from emergencies. We won't argue with that as it does have its perks. Owning a credit card gives you the confidence to purchase whatever it is that you wish at the moment. With one swipe, you can now take home the smart TV you've been eyeing in the mall for months. However, you can also sink into a sea of debt with this power. If you don't pay off your balance in full in each billing cycle, you'll be credited with an interest. Not to mention the annual fees that come with owning a card. It's not as easy and cheap as you think it is. There's nothing wrong with signing up for a credit card, but you should be responsible enough to pay your dues on time. If you want peace of mind, cut off this service from your life. Before we reveal numbers 3 to 5, don't forget to like this content and hit the subscribe button to get instant updates from Money in Mind. You can also comment on what you wish to see next on the channel. Now, back to the 5 things you should cut to save money. Number 3. Gym membership. Have you ever signed up for a premium gym membership but ended up not using your privileges? Many people only get the motivation to hit the gym during the first 4 to 5 months of their membership. Sure, getting a premium may inspire you to work out regularly. But think about your schedule at work or in school before signing up. Do you think you can attend gym sessions with your workload? Will you be wasting membership fees if you hardly show up to the gym? Will it be worth it? It will probably be worth it if you are a regular gym goer and if you can be consistent with using their services. But if you want to save money, which we know you are because you are watching this video right now, you don't need to pay to stay fit. Why not go for the traditional way of achieving your fitness goals? You can always go for a regular jog, an adventurous hike, and a healthy diet. And sometimes, people just want to brag about hitting the gym because it makes them look cool. Not a good enough reason to get a membership, I must say. Number 4. Unnecessary subscriptions. So you've got Netflix, HBO Max, Disney Plus, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. Wow, looks like you've got all the time in the world to binge watch every single show on these platforms. Ask yourself, is it really necessary to subscribe to all these services? Do you fear you will miss out on all the good stuff they offer and just want them to be available whenever you like it? Listen, you don't have all the time in this world to do this. You can be unemployed and still won't be able to finish all the shows they caught. Are you subscribed to more than one music streaming app? But hey, aren't the songs on Apple Music also available on Spotify? What's the need to sign up for both? Okay, we get it. You probably want to support your favorite artists by streaming their latest single on both platforms. But come on, if you really want to save more money, this is not the practical way to do it. So, what do you do about it? Choose one subscription that works best for you and cut off the rest. Easy. And finally, number 5, the need for approval and validation. If there's one thing you need to totally cut off from your life, it's the extreme desire to achieve approval and validation from other people. How does this affect our financial state? Well, when your goal is to get the public's attention, you'll most likely be spending a great amount of effort to look cool. This means you may be spending a lot to purchase luxury items and expensive gadgets. You will also keep traveling to different cities and countries to make your social media feeds attractive and appealing so people will get the impression that you are living an incredible life. See, here's the thing. There's absolutely nothing wrong with spending money on the things we want. We all have small obsessions and luxuries on our bucket list, and we deserve to have them if we strive hard. But are you really doing this to satisfy yourself, or are you doing this to impress the people around you? I'm telling you, the world doesn't care if you have a new Chevrolet or a Gucci bag. What's worse is that we buy things we don't really need just to impress people who don't even care about us. Now, where does that take us? Not only will you become broke, but you will also be disappointed that none of the people you tried to get validation from cared about your achievements. Our final advice: don't try to look cool and rich just to make you significant to the public's eye. Be humble and contented with what you have in life, and surely you will reap the rewards in the future. Indeed, that's basically the best rule for saving money and living a peaceful life: humility and contentment. And there you have it. Those are the 5 things you should cut to save money. What can you say about our list? Comment your thoughts down below, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to Money in Mind if you haven't yet. Stay tuned as we've got more content on financial advice coming very soon. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.